Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, mag-unbox naman ako ng binili kong vacuum. I just recently moved in sa bago kong apartment. So sa mga next na video ko, I will be unboxing naman mga gamit sa bahay. So this is the one guys. It's called Bissell Power Force Compact Turbo. It is a lightweight and very cheap lang siya so far sa mga vacuum na nakita ko. Sa Walmart ko siya binili. It cost $60 compare sa iba na worth $200. So we're gonna be unboxing this and we're gonna give you a review for it. So guys, ito, let's open it para makita natin yung laman. So it comes with the instruction and na attachment niya na gagamitin. So very light nga siya. Magaan lang. So it comes with the different colors. So yeah. So guys, ito na siya. Ito yung kanyang handle. So open na natin. Napakagaan lang nga na talaga. Yan. So, it is a bagless vacuum. Yung mga dirt na makokollect niya, it will go here in front in the little canister. So, siguro dito lang yan talagay. Very user-friendly, napaka-lightweight. Kahit hindi ko naman binasa yung instruction, madali naman siyang mag-gets. Very self-explanatory. Guys, bago tayo mag-vacuum, may ginagamit akong powder. Ito yon yung Arm & Hammer Extra Strength Carpet Odor Eliminator para mas maging mabango yung carpet. So yan guys, ito nga, spread lang natin siya sa ating carpet. So ganyan. So, let's turn it on guys. So, mag-start na tayo maglinis, mag-vacuum. So, meron siyang step dito na para maibababa mo siya. Yan. guys, it has a 2 attachments. Ito yung turbo brush niya, tsaka yung crevice tool. So, mas magagamit ko tong crevice tool para sa mga narrow spaces. So, I'm gonna try this one. Just have to attach it here. Dito. Para masasak niya yung mga narrow spaces. So, ayan guys, ito na yung kailangan i-empty natin yung laman nitong canister na to. Just have to push it. Ayan. Hindi na kailangan ng bag. So, dito na napupunta yung mga dirt. Tapos, may instruction dito na pull for filter para itapon. So, ayan. Tatapon natin yung na-collect niya na dirt. So guys, ito na siya ulit. Balik natin. Yan. So guys, I am recommending this vacuum, Bissell Power Force Compact Turbo, kasi it's very lightweight, very cheap, user-friendly. It has a backless vacuum. So let me know your thoughts, comment below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.